You know what's crazy? I literally wait by my phone for a notification from you because I know my mood can change from sad to happy in seconds. And just seeing your name pop up on my phone makes me the happiest. I love you.
Hi! Your friend sent me to tell you that they have feelings for you. Angry feelings. Like when you don't answer their calls or texts, but you can open up a TikTok just fine.
Way she make that ass bounce, think I love her. Got that ass in that mouth from her mother. Type to make your baby mad, you in trouble. NBA playoffs, that ass, it's a bubble. Come on, throw that ass back.
That ain't the baby, that's my baby.